Nestled within a picturesque expanse of lush greenery, an expressive contemporary residence emerges. The boundaries of this haven are embraced by verdant pine woodlands on both flanks, thoughtfully hand-picked by the clients who yearned for this idyllic sanctuary, complete with a gentle rivulet weaving through its heart. This vision posed a distinctive challenge for the architects, as they sought to seamlessly interweave this new dwelling with the existing natural tapestry, effectively enlisting the babbling brook to cleave the land into two distinct realms. The pivotal task at hand comprised a design and concept composed of two principal elements, the principal abode of the proprietors and a quaint abode for visiting guests. These two facets find unison through the medium of an exposed bridge, an architectural linchpin that not only binds them together but also proudly graces the facade of the residence. What's more, the pre-existing arboreal sentinels were thoughtfully assimilated into the architectural vision, gracefully transcending the very rooftop of the edifice. An array of expansive windows serves as portals between the interior and the exterior, meticulously crafting an ambience of serenity and comfort for the inhabitants and their guests. In addition, meticulous attention has been paid to augmenting the design with understated landscaping, an inviting open hearth, and timbered verandas that offer a resplendent setting for unwinding to the soothing cadence of flowing water while basking in the breathtaking vistas. The outcome culminates in the harmonious juxtaposition of the modern minimalist aesthetic of the alabaster domicile against the resplendent backdrop of nature's verdant splendor.